Yes, it's Wale again, and a lot of people know me as Cardon. So we are going to be looking at the week ahead. So first, let's look at Forex. For Forex, we have composite PMI here. That's for GBP, the United Kingdom. Surprisingly, they did well with their retail sales despite the Russia Ukraine invasion. But I think that should be for um, last week or yes, that's us now. So we have composite PMI for them now. So this composite PMI determines um, the core retail sales. So we are going to be seeing another retail sales, but this is they have composite PMI, which is their manufacturing index, producers manufacturing index. So it determines a lot of things. It's going to influence their core retail sales and some other things because these are the people that are the producers. So if they add money on anything, it's going to affect the economy. It's going to affect the retail sales and it's going to affect the economy because if if they purchase whatever they um, purchase at a high price, they will have to add it to their wholesale, you know, and it's going to affect the retailers. Now you have the manufacturing PMI, you have the service PMI, so they are grouped, in different categories so that you know, it's not just one. So you have the composite, you have the manufacturing, then you have the service. For service industry, this for manufacturing industry, and so on. So if anything happens there, it's going to affect the buyers, retailers, and the final consumers. So that could give us something about the GDP and the inflation. So we should get ready for maybe an announcement. This will just have influence on inflation. So let's go on. For US, we have new home sales. New home sales. This also impacts on the economy because um, this is the real estate industry. So if people are buying new homes, it tells that or it shows that the economy is doing well. People, collect salaries, and maybe the businessmen are doing well, so they invest in homes, they buy, and things like that. So if this also is a determinant of the economy, so if everything is doing well, people buy new homes, and when they buy new homes, they buy new appliances and things. So it also goes down to the retail sales because they will buy new things to, put in the house and decorate and things like that. So here we have previous. Oh, okay, I didn't talk about the previous here. Okay, previous we have the composite. The manufacturing is just about 58, 55, and so on. So we don't have the consensus yet. Here we have the new home sale. We have 763K. The consensus that the forecasters are saying is going to reduce from the data they have to 750K. So that means it's going to be a bit bad for the economy. So we are going to be looking at selling um, USD at the time when it is announced or before it is announced at the time. So for this PMI, we don't know what to do yet. But for new home sales, we are looking at as a non-directional bias trader, we are going to be looking at maybe sentiment trading. We are going to be looking at selling, you know, before the time. Then when the time comes, we'll leave the market and enter the market again to when the report comes out. So we know if we are to sell or buy. So when the report comes out, if it is a surprise against the consensus or the forecast, then we buy. If it is otherwise, we sell. Then we have